Here's how to get Minecraft. So first you'll need to go to the official Minecraft website, minecraft.net, and then click on Buy Now. Then select Minecraft or any other game you want from here. This is the Java and Bedrock edition. Click on it. Then select the platform you want to play the game on, in this case PC. Then select the game edition you want. The standard edition is the cheapest. Then you can buy it as a gift if you want. But in this case, if you want to buy it for ourselves, we need to click checkout. And then it will ask you to log into your Microsoft account. Then it will bring you back here to the payment page. Click next. And then enter your credit card information to buy. And then confirm. And it will take you to the review page. And then once your payment is completed, you'll be able to download the game and install it on your PC. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.